Jacinto, good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग
Good morning. पहिले सवातेर हांव भरपूर खुशाल कित्याक जनरली आमी एकामेकाक वी मीट बट दॅट मिटींग इज जस्ट लायक टू विलेजर्स जावं ऑर एक्वेंटन्सीस म्हणनाका ऑर मे बी मोर मोगाचो कनेक्ट म्हणल्यार आय ऑलवेज कनेक्ट माय सेल्फ विथ माय आल्मा माटर स्कूल मोंदेगिरी.
Yes.
So माझ्यात तुझे कनेक्शन इज नॉट एज अ रिलेटिव्ह और एज अ विलेजर. मोर आय एम लायक अटॅच्ड बिकॉज यू आर एक्स स्टुडंट ऑफ मोंदेगिरी अँड म्हाका आयज ही संदी मेळ्ळी तुका मेळपाक आनी थोड्यो वस्तू जाणा जावपाक वीच ओवर अ पिरियड ऑफ टायम म्हाका हो योग मेळोंक ना. सो टुडे दॅट यू आर देर इन द विलेज आदी तूं आमकां तितलो मेळनासलो बिकॉज युअर बिझी शेड्यूल विथ एअर इंडिया वूड नॉट परमीट यू टू स्पेंड लॉट ऑफ टायम इन गोवा. बट आयज तूं गोंयान आसा जायतो तूं वेळ काडटा. सो म्हाजो एक हेतू आहा सदांच आमचे जे भुरगे गोंयकार आनी हे डिफरंट फील्ड इट इज नॉट ओन्ली इन स्पोर्ट्स. हांवें एक मोहीम चालू केल्या सगळ्यांक प्लॅटफॉर्म दिवपाक फॉर पीपल हू हॅज कंट्रिब्युटेड फॉर इंडिया जावं फॉर गोवा इन पर्टिक्युलर. आनी ही संदी घेवन आय वॉन्ट तेंची एक लायफ स्टोरी इन रेकॉर्डान उरपाक जावं ती फेसबुकार जावं ती युट्यूबार. सो देव बरें करूं तूं आयज म्हाका मेळलो आनी वेळ काडलो म्हणून. सो जासिंडो म्हाका जायतो लोक तुजे कडेन चायल्डहूड भुरगेपण नको वेर यू आर बॉर्न नेक्स्ट युअर स्कुलींग द होल चेन ऑफ युअर स्कुलींग युअर प्रोफेशनल कोर्सीस आनी मागीर तूं ह्या स्थळार पावपाक तुजी यात्रा कशी आसली.
पयलीं सद्या म्हाका आजून पासून उगडास येता. हांव स्कुलान आसतना मोंदेगिरी हांव येदोस आहलो. तूं आमकां यू एक्चुअली लायक अ पेरंट टू अस इन द स्कूल एंड दॅट इज यर स्कूल डे. दॅट इज आय जॉयन्ड मोंदेगिरी इन 4th स्टँडर्ड. 4th to SSC I was there.
हो
Almost 7 years. And that was the main training ground for us. With Salu as a coach, who used to play for Sezagoa. And आम जायते बारा भुरगे आहले ते जायते प्रोड्यूस केले प्लेयर. ब्रुनो कुतिनो, काझमिरो पाला, मुगे भाव खेळटालो.
सो भावाचें नांव कितें.
कोस्तांस.
कॉस्तास्यो. हांव जाणा रे पूण फॉर द पीपल.
येस. आनी तेज पयलीं हांव 1st, 2nd, 3rd हांव
परपेच्युअल हाय स्कूल
नावेली थिंगा आहलो. 2 वर्स बोर्डिंग आनी 1 वर्स डे स्कॉलर. मागीर तेज फाटल्यान आमी कितें जाता गांवां आमगेल्या पयले इंटरवर्ड जाताले, इंटर विलेज जाताली, इंटर क्लब टुर्नामेंट जाताले.
नो दॅट वी विल कम लेटर. फर्स्ट यू टेल मी अ लायफ स्टोरी.
Okay.
तुजो जल्म खंय जालो.
हांव जालो आंबिल्यान.
अच्छा आंबिली मिन्स आदी घरांनी जाताले आनी हॉस्पिटलांनी जाताले.
हय.
दॅट इज वॉट यू मीन घरा आंबिले.
ना हांव मारगांव
मार्ग हॉस्पिटल.
मारगांव हॉस्पिटलान जालो. ऑल सोल्स डे.
Oh my God.
So you can imagine.
Saul is
how
going to be
big is
very
the
strong.
hospital.
Good.
So थिंगसान मागीर हांव बोर्डिंगां आहलो नावेली. मागीर तेज फाटल्यान मोंदेगिरी 7 वर्सां. ऑलमोस्ट ऑल माय स्कुलींग डेज आय वॉज आउटसायड इन द बोर्डिंग. मागीर SSC जालें म्हणटरी हांव हिंगा आहलो आमगे. मागीर तेदो आंबिली क्लबा खेळ्ळे. कितें जाता आतां स्कॉल जालें म्हणटरी कंटिन्युटी आसना फुटबॉलाची एज अ कॅरियर. तो क्लबांनी तो प्लॅटफॉर्म दिला आमकां.
खंयचे क्लब.
आंबिली स्पोर्ट्स.
अच्छा आंबिली स्पोर्ट्स क्लब. ओके.
आनी हे कनेक्ट आतां मिस जाता. ते स्कॉल जालें म्हणटरी ते कंटिन्युटी आसना. ते कॉलेजी वयताय कॉलेज एक टुर्नामेंट खेळटाय आनी काबार जालें. क्लबाक गेले जाल्यार तूं ओके तुका चान्स मेळटा पूण ना जाल्यार कांय मेळना तुका. थिंगा काबार जाता. or you are lost, you don't have a line where to go. मागीर तेज फाटल्यान हांव मी आंबिली स्पोर्ट्स क्लब एक टॉर्नामेंट खेळ्ळे ऑल गोवा टॉर्नामेंट दत्ताराम 2 ट्रॉफी म्हणून जाताली तेदून आंबिली स्पोर्ट्स क्लबान टीम गायल्ली एंड दॅट इयर वी वर चॅम्पियन्स आंबिली स्पोर्ट्स क्लब वॉज चॅम्पियन्स ऑफ गोवा आनी ते टिमींतले आमगेले 3 जाण हांव बेंजामिन सिल्वा MLA एक्स MLA आनी आगोस्ट डी सिल्वा तो मागीर रेल्वे गेल्लो आमी सेलेक्ट जाले आनी आमी गोवा रिप्रेझेंट केले आमी आनी थिंगा हांव प्रोबेबल्सान चूज केलो म्हाका इंडियन प्रोबेबल्स बट समहाव आय डोंट नो वाय आय वॉज नॉट सेंड दॅट सेम इयर आय मूव टू बॉम्बे सेंट्रल बँका कोच महाराष्ट्रा टीम घेवन येयल्लो तेणें म्हाका बॉम्बे आपयलो पूण हांव बॉम्बे जॉब घेवपा म्हूण वचना एक्सिडेंटली म्हगे कजना बरी गेलो हांव थिंगा बॉम्बे ते म्हाका थिंगा आपयलो मेळ्ळो आनी तुगे जॉब रेडी आहा म्हूण सांगलें दॅट टायम आय वॉज जस्ट 18 and 1 or 2 months or something.
Whose cousin? Which?
Severin.
Severin Vibrant. Okay.
And things on म्हाका तेमी immediately job दिली. 5 years I played for Central Bank and then I moved to Air India in 92. Since then all my life I've been playing there in Bombay.
Okay.
Played nationals, led the Maharashtra team, won Santosh Trophy and then played India also in the Indian team.
Good. So, ह्या तुझ्या यात्रान चड स्पेसिफिकली कोणाचो हात आसलेलो लायक हू वॉज देअर बिहाइंड यू युअर फॅमिली युअर फ्रेंड्स नेबर्स ऑर एनीबडी एल्स हू वॉज लायक युअर मेंटर खूंय सान हें तुजें तुज्या मनान येयलें की फुटबॉल खेळटलो म्हणून फ्रॉम चायल्डहूड टील यू जॉयन सेंट्रल बँक जावं एअर इंडिया सो हू आर द पीपल 1 or 2 people हें श्रेय कोणाक दिवपाक सोदता तूं
No, of course, parents are high. It is needless to say.
बट युअर फादर वॉज इन फुटबॉल
No.
No.
Father was a.
युअर अंकल वॉज आय थिंक
No.
नो द वन हू इज अ डॉक्टर
No, he was not there. But apart from them, it is all the school days, Mondegiri.
ओके
Especially Salu sir, coach. He was, he would implement whatever is trained in Sezagua. He would train us in the evening. So that helped a lot. That is why you see umpteen number of players coming out from Mondegiri. So that was thing. And then later on I moved to, of course, Ambeli Sports Club, I will never forget. Because this is the club that has, maintained the continuity. After our schooling days, we came back here and then literally every day we would play
ओके
all over Goa. We would travel up to north to play matches.
थोड्यो पयलींच्यो यादी केल्यो जाल्यार म्हाका उगड आसा तो एक सर आसलेलो PJ जोझफ म्हणून कोण आनी फादर जॉयल पिंटो
Aye.
मे सोल रेस्ट इन पीस बट हे दोग जाणूय मनीस म्हाका दिसता स्पोर्ट्साक लागून भरपूर एनकरेजमेंट करताले भुरग्यांक
Paul Raj, sir.
पॉल राज ऑल्सो
So they used to, I mean, you cannot imagine the amount of efforts they have put. It is amazing. You can't, you always remember them for their good work. Only 3 priests used to handle, I think,
the whole 600 people, 600 boys. आणि म्हाका उगड आसा एका मेजार 100 जाण बसताले जेवपाक कांटो कुलर घेवन टाक 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 600 boarders.
Yeah, but that was also a learning. You learned how to use
The fork and spoons. And total every day 7 breads per day. 3 morning, 3 night and 1 in the evening.
that. Of course, that is now. If you think about it, you realize that how will they,
Manage all this.
manage all these things, rice and.
Almost I think average पळयलो जाल्यार more than at a rate of 7 bread per person per day.
Just imagine.
600 people, more than 4,000 breads per day.
Per day.
Oh my God. Any of these are good memories. Do you still visit school, Mondigiri?
Yes, I do go.
Ah.
I do go to school. I met Sir Oxon also.
Acha,
He's still there.
he's
We met.
still there.
Last time we went myself, Maharel,
Ah.
first class.
Mavrelu केतना वयता, I remember Mavrelu.
मसोन येता केन्ना
Yeah, yeah. Staff room and एक दोग जाण उरले ते
हय
retirement. And yeah, good. Let me, out of respect, here is our alma mater school म्हण दाखयतलो, of course. Next, Air Indian तुका job मेळपाक was instrumental like.
Oh, those days there was this coach. At that time he was manager, but he was instrumental because he said when I went to Bombay, when we played a practice match, Central Bank and Air India on their ground. Since then he's saying I was very inclined to get you into our team.
Okay.
That is Bimal Ghosh.
Bimal
Yeah.
Ghosh, okay.
So he was instrumental in it.
I remember एक party मरे just I'll share my experience. I might have made a mention. I was flying from Delhi and म्हाका तुझे friends सारखा आखो ग्रुपूच मेळलो on Air India. They were so happy when I told them that I'm your relative and all. You won't believe that day on the flight, I think literally I had a Mary. खा पियो जियो सारखे. Everybody was so fond, they were really having high respect for you. And then I realized how you might have been carrying yourself among all these different people of different states. So it was like for us honor to meet such people. And I never crossed you in any flight in the past. But finally, I met your colleagues, Mundu. But it was good that these people still respect you, And that high respect, there's a value आमका गावान कळना.
True.
We know that respect when you go outside this, any village, I mean. म्हणणी आणि बायबलान पासून आपल्या गावान प्रवाद्याक पासून रेस्पेक्ट असना.
Now that is Air India. Apart from that sports, I used to handle
Yeah.
the Air India team. For
Air India.
13 years
And-
I was manager of Air India football team.
इतले व्हडले तुझे पोझिशन आलेले बट गावान तो आवाज
There is
दिलो
no
ना.
awareness.
गावान फकत जाणा तू एरोप्लेन चलयता म्हणून.
बोले ना I was captain करू.
लोकांची खबर तशी
Yes, yes,
जाताली.
yeah.
People think Air India म्हणजे आवय एरोप्लेन चलयता. So what job you are doing, people were not so much aware.
Not aware.
Other than people who are informed people, they knew. म्हाका खबर आसली that you are working on the Air India flight as a passer.
Yes.
Huh? If I'm not.
Yes.
And you're good. Nice
I
to.
was vice president of Mumbai Football Association also.
Okay, good, good.
Now also I am chief advisor.
Okay, chief advisor.
So I still have connect with football in Bombay.
So I wish आमचे गावचे भुरगे they take advantage of your talent and they could also contribute for sports in Goa. From people like you.
See, the problem is when I was there in Air India, I did contact some players from here, but they don't want to move out.
Move out.
Of course, it is difficult for them because throughout their life they have been with their parents.
ओके
Protected.
त्या पॉइंटाचेर म्हाका एक विचारूंक जाय. I will not doubt your goodness, but being from Ambeli, let me say your second home being from Mandigiri. तर ह्या दोन्ही वातावरणांनी what is your contribution or what did you try? केन्ना तुवें तजवीज केल्ली आमच्या भुरग्यांक तुज्या स्पोर्ट्सान or तुज्या टिमीन or Air Indian व्हरपाक?
Yes, as I told you, I'm approach केल्ले भुरग्यांक पूण तेमकां वचपा नाका आमगे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर आसलो. We had accommodation also, and that is just besides the ground. This is a ground and that side is the accommodation.
Colony.
It's a colony.
Then
It
Air
was-
India colony.
but-
You are talking about in Santa Cruz?
Santa Cruz.
Kalina.
Kalina.
Okay.
But for them to visualize all these things is difficult from here.
Okay.
Unless and until they come there. Of
They
course, some players did come there, not on our ground, but they knew what is the setup in Air India. Best of facilities were given.
Okay.
I can guarantee you that even some good teams are not giving that type of facilities. Even the money,
Got it.
contract amount. We had a proper contract system
Contract
for the
system.
players, for the team. Not only contract system, everything was on paper, passed from the board of directors. So there was not a problem in getting these things to the team. Plus, our office bearers were all international players.
Okay.
Like for example, last time it was Dhanraj Pillai, Sir Dhanraj.
Okay, so Dhanraj.
He was-
I met Dhanraj Pillai once. Yeah, it was my honor to meet him in those days. So I met, for your information, I'm proud that I met even Baichung Bhutia when he just started his career in Bombay at Copperidge ground. I and my friend from the customs, Superintendent Augusto De Silva,
Hmm.
and my son was born. He was just around maybe. आणि हांव मुद्दम माझ्या चेड्याक घेवन गेल्लो बिकॉज बुटिया वॉज टू कम देर बाचू आणि बिकॉज ऑफ द इन्फ्लुअन्स दॅट आगुस्तो हॅड आय हॅड ही वॉज जस्ट अराउंड मे बी आणि हांव मुद्दम माझ्या चेड्याक घेवन गेल्लो बिकॉज बुटिया वॉज टू कम देर बाचू आणि बिकॉज ऑफ द इन्फ्लुअन्स दॅट आगुस्तो हॅड आय हॅड प्रिविलेज टू एंटर द रूम द ड्रेसिंग रूम एरिया आणि unfortunately those memories I could not have because the person who was taking the photograph, as I told you, he had put the cover of the lens and those days that lens there was no auto system.
Correct.
So the lens तेणे लायले फोटो काडला आनी येयलो पळोवपाक गेल्यार that reel is blank. So तो गो त्यो जाल्यो. So and हांव खुशाल जाता when I want to go and be a part of these people, you know. This type of celebrities, जाऊ दे स्पोर्ट्सान जावं एक्टिविजमान जावं म्हणजे सो एन्जॉय इट वॉज नायस मेमरीज फॉर अस आणि सो तुज्या फाटल्यान हिंगा बॉम्बेची लेगसी गोंयान काय ना आता सद्याक
No, no. And to some extent, I have realized they don't accept you. Yeah. Not our village or
इन विलेज बट इन गोवा
Yes. That's
Yeah,
Bombay.
तो बॉम्बे वालो
हांव जालिंगा शिंकिलिंगा तुम बॉम्बे म्हणटाय. Like for example, in veterans when they are playing now,
Yeah.
there are a lot of veteran tournaments. तो बॉम्बे म्हणटाय.
जालें ते कोणाकूय कोताय ते
It hurts.
इट हर्ट्स इट हर्ट्स
I mean, I don't know.
तू हिंग जाला बॉम्बे काम केलं पण तू बॉम्बे वालो
बॉम्बे झाला.
हांव बॉम्बे जाला पूण हिंग रावता तरी असो बॉम्बे वालो
And now one more thing I'll tell you which is hurting is I have played all my life in Bombay. About 40 years or something. Playing an official. They don't recognize it. They're saying you're not a Maharashtra.
Oh.
So awards are being avoided. Not given.
सो
Not,
बोथ सायड तुझी खिचडी झाल्या
Hoy.
ना घर का ना घाट का महाराष्ट्रा गेल्यार यू आर नॉट बॉर्न इन
Not in, so you're
महाराष्ट्र
not getting award.
सो यू नॉट गेटिंग गोंया येयल्यार तू हिंगा रावन आहलो
Nothing had म्हणटाय.
तू थिंग खेळा
So eligible.
सो तू यू आर नॉट एलिजिबल माय गॉड
Whereas small players who are playing inter-district in Maharashtra, they get awards.
दे गेट अवॉर्ड्स
It hurts.
इट हर्ट्स
You let me play for Maharashtra and you don't give me award.
नेक्स्ट म्हाका एक सांग what is your family life? When did you settle down in life, your wife, your children? So people know, people like us, संवसारान कोण बरें, who we are. एक recognition म्हज्या कडच्यान जाता तें I try to give it to different people. Whether they are born and brought up here or whether they have their roots in Goa. But आम्ही ताका recognize करप in whatever little way I can do. Just with my one mobile with the camera, I try to reach out to the top people of the world also. I have a list of celebrities plus simplest people. एक फार्मराचे पासून इंटरव्यू घेऊन I try to bring them into the domain. म्हाका स्टुडंट्स म्हणनाका डॉक्टर्स, पॉलिटिशियन, एक्टिविस्ट, तियात्रिस्ट, सिंगर्स, फिल्म स्टार्स, स्पोर्ट्स सगळ्या वाटेनी I am try to look out where we can have their history saved somewhere. So त्या बाबतीत तुझी फॅमिली लाईफ किती तुझी आई माय चल
Daddy मुगे merchant navy आहलो.
ओके
She was a housewife.
ओके
So she took care of us.
येस
I mean,
That's
he is
important.
close, yeah.
Yeah.
Uh,
So close to your mother, like
yeah. Whatever we used to convey to our mother.
mother.
So after we got married in Goa, when काजार झाले बावन दोघांनी बरोबर झाले
Barabar झाले, I remember that.
तेन्ना हांव बॉम्बे आलो हेडा न्हू सो आय वॉज स्टेशन इन बॉम्बे सो आय हॅड टू गो देर वॉज नो स्टेशन इन गोवा
Yeah.
फॉर आर डिपार्टमेंट मागीर बॉम्बे गेले आमी थोडी वर्सां चेडवागे मागीर जेन्ना आय गॉट किड डॉटर एंड सन
Daughter and son.
दे वॉन हियर
Yeah.
इन गोवा मागीर आमी बॉम्बे
It's better you make it clear. ना त्या काय भायल्या म्हणलेली. They are born here. But I heard your children are doing well in the field of education also.
माय सन इज अ डॉक्टर नाव
Yeah.
and daughter was doing her PhD in marine science.
Marine science. Good.
So they are born and brought up here. Then for few years we moved to Bombay
Okay.
for 6-7 years. Then again came back to Goa.
Goa.
Then they schooled in King's School.
King's School.
My daughter completed her college in Chogales. Son moved to GMC.
Okay.
He's completed his. He's preparing for his PG NEET.
So good if your daughter has done something in marine and PhD, she'll be of great help to Ambelkars.
Yeah.
Because आमका river Salache, she might have done some study on that.
I don't know. There are a lot of streams into there.
Yeah, okay.
I don't know which exactly it is.
Yeah.
But she has not completed her PhD.
Okay. She's in the process. Okay. What's her name?
Malaika
Malika. And your son's name?
Simon.
Dr. Simon. Okay. And your wife's name?
Quincy.
Quincy. So she is a working
No.
person or she is also home minister?
She's also at home.
Okay.
She was getting jobs, but she
I know.
sacrificed.
Because of the children, I know. It happens. And then about your parents, after that, your father retired as a seaman or he gave up earlier?
No, he retired as a seaman.
Okay. So now you are left with your mother.
Mother.
Okay. But I ऐकला केन्ना sometimes your uncle had some influence on you all also.
Yeah, because see, that's what I'm saying. Of course, he was like, wherever this introvert, there
Yeah.
were a lot of tournaments here, introvert tournaments. So evening he would take us on the cycle for matches here, there, everywhere. How it was. Others used to go walking. Yeah, of course, he was there. He was there for us.
किती हांव ल्हान आसतना हांवें आयकलां तुज्या अंकलला दोतोर म्हणटाले. So he was
He was in Auspicio. He
Auspicio.
was in pathology department.
pathology department.
That's how he
Was called doctor.
Everyone used to contact him.
Yeah, I know.
Anything they used to contact
No,
him.
I remember. Even GMC ओळख जावंक जाय तेका सांगताले.
Aye.
I remember there was a very good bond between Anton Bab, R. Silva's father,
Yes.
and your uncle. His name was Ruzar
No,
Custodio. Custodio and Anton Bab, त्यांचो बॉन्ड बरो आसलोलो. सो आमच्या गांवांत केन्ना कितें वयर सकयल जालें मेडिकलाक. So he was the one who was being contacted.
Coordinated, yeah.
When I was young, I remember these days, आणि ताका लोक had that respect for him.
Even today, when I move around, they ask me about the
भावाचेडो कित्याक ताका बरें पेन आसलोलें. So in those days, very few people
if you.
who had that pen. There were many among in Ambeli as a whole. I remember मुगेले एकलो अंकल आसलो. So तेजें नांव पिदाद आनी ताका नांव आसलोलें मेलो पिदाद म्हणटाले. मुगे डॅडीगे भाव तो. He was into politics. Probably that being genetically थोडे तेगेले आमकां येयलां कितें कोण जाणा. But he was in politics. He was the man who used to move about with Roxanne and Dr. Jack Sikera बरोबर भोंवपी तो तेन्ना. So I remember तो एक मनीस ताका पेन आसलेलें आनी तेजें तें handwriting was like calligraphy. And few more people were there. Percival's daddy,
Thomas.
Thomas. Thomas गेले. His handwriting also I have seen. ती कॅलिग्राफी ते आतां भुरगे स्पेशल पेन घेवन बरयताय.
Correct.
तो बेश्टे पेन घेवन त्या कॅलिग्राफीक वतालो. Same thing was with your uncle also. So like that there were people. And later on in life, I saw one person named Jose De Silva. Penny De Silva get ready. त्यागले handwriting. त्याक शिंकप कडे ऑल नासलेले. But त्यागे handwriting was too great, you know. So sometimes they say, many times the people or person is known by his handwriting. But I of course don't agree in toto. Because Mahatma Gandhi's handwriting is not readable at all. Same thing with the doctor's handwriting.
Yes.
So anyhow, it was nice. Now, Jacinto Magek sang, in Bombay, there might have been some influence. आणि आमचो गांवचो भाव आगुस्तो डिसिल्वा who was with the customs. Because आनीक एकलो आगुस्तो आहा आमचो. Augusto De Silva's, but tak railways म्हणटा आमी.
Hoy.
So these two Augustos, both surnames also same.
Same.
And one is called as custom, the other one is railways. So you are junior to them.
August, railways, and myself played together.
Okay,
Yeah. Customs is senior.
senior. Now from here, where?
No, what I thought is, since we have gained something from football, not something, everything, I can say, it is time to do something for the community. That's why 2 days back, we had some program which we wrong timed it, and we could not accommodate more people here. So we want to do something here now.
Good.
There are a lot of things in the pipeline, but we will try to do something.
Good. So तुझ्या मनान आता ह्याच्या फुडें आंबेले गांवान
Amazing.
गोंयकारां पासत तुझ्या गांवच्या भुरग्यां पासत तुझे एक्सपिरियन्स तुजो अनुभव आमच्या भुरग्यांक दिवपाचें तुज्या मनान आहा.
Yes.
आनी हें करपाक तुजे रोड मॅप आहा ओ रोड मॅप करपाचें उरलां?
Road map. Now, there are a lot of things involved, like infrastructure, funds. We are thinking on something that will mostly materialize.
Good.
So we are actually, that's why when I come here in the evenings. Yesterday evening we were playing here.
I know
Late
yesterday
evening, night.
हांव मेवला तुका.
Hoy.
We met.
So but we are trying to get people on the ground, which is very difficult nowadays. But yes, there are some people. You know what is happening is here, there are no proper facilities. So it is like children will not come for facilities now. The parents are more interested in putting their children in some
Then the children
activities.
themselves.
But that is the reason why we want to have something here on Ameli ground,
कितें
which
आज
is more accessible to people. We are even willing to adjust or have timings as per their time, so that they can make the most of it, best of it.
Today I'm going to have you as a guest. So I told him about football. म्हणाला आधी हुई कितें ग्राउंड नासलेले प्लेयर आसलेले आतां हुई ग्राउंड आहाय प्लेयर नाही खेळपाक.
सगळे उलयताय पूण कितें पूण करूं जाय न्हू. कितेंय केलें जाल्यार कोण मागीर येना जाल्यार तुमी म्हणपाक जाता. पयलें म्हण फायद ना. आहाय
ग्राउंड जाय ते म्हणायचे
विज्युअली दिसती पडय.
दिसती पडय. Yeah. And now that people like Jacinto has come, I am having expectation थोडं तरी कितें तरी organize जातले. Maybe not 100%, but at least things will fall in place. And it will be my humble request, आमच्या आंबेलेच्या भुरग्यांक तशेंच वडिलांक जासिंतो सारख्या भुरग्यांक हेंचो वापर करुया आमी आनी get this thing more flourishing. Let it not be seasonal. Let it be an ongoing process.
No, sorry to interrupt you. आम्ही आता प्रोग्राम केला not only for football. We are starting physical training also. We have got a professional trainer.
Good.
So I have told him what is the requirement, what we should do, or you should plan. We are having programs for 60 plus, that is senior citizens.
Hello.
Hoy, men, women. Then most of our villages are the Tarwati. Think Yel Mutri, they may at least put exercise. Let them do it. Yel Mutri, they work for 6-9 months or whatever. Now when they come back, they require to detox,
To detox.
relax. So exercise is the major thing, like stretches and lot of things into that. Not rigorous exercise, which will detox them and get them to go again. And now with serious medical examinations,
Examinations.
it is getting difficult as age. So this will help them. That is what we are thinking.
आय एम ट्रायंग जायते फावटी हांव ट्राय करता हेवपाक आनी आमच्या गांवचे भुरगे मरे म्हाका सिनियर म्हूण घालताय 5 मिनटान काटाय मागीर ते हांव डिसअपॉयंट जाता आनी एक सांग मरे जासिंटो टू जस्ट शेअर अ बिग टिडबीट एक गेमींग आयलो म्हगे फ्रेंडान म्हाका काजारी आनी आंकवारी म्हूण स्टार्टिंग मुगे एक गोल मरे सुटलो रोकडो काडलो धरू ना बॉल सेंटर येवंक ना हांव भायर anyhow, but it is good people are keeping up these things.
Yeah.
I encourage and I'm there with you whenever a coverage माझ्याकडे जाता तेन्ना I will cover it up in whatever way we can. I will contribute whatever I can do that. Because I am also now almost retired and jobless. But of course, all these services are free. Okay. With respect to the contribution, since our program आमचो स्पोर्ट्साचेर आहा, contribution by Benjamin Silva, the ex-MLA, हेजे तर हितून भरपूर कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन आहा तेजे थोडो तूं उजवाड घालपी मातशें थोडक्यान.
बेंजामिन हांव जाण तेदो पासून हांव हेटा तेदो पासून आतां कंट्रिब्युशन तेगे कोणाय क्वेश्चन करपा जायना. It is immense. And the time, effort, money that is being put by him is, just sometimes I tell him, why are you doing this? But he is, no, this has to be done. We have to do something. Now, for past 1 year, we have been planning, as I said, about the physical fitness and the training for kids, getting up people. We have been talking about this for months. And he is a main person who is behind this.
Yeah.
He doesn't, he's saying, don't put me, in the forefront
Yeah.
because of his political connections. He doesn't want to spoil the project what we are doing. That is why he is not, he doesn't, you don't see him in front.
But politically also he is well connected.
He's connected, but what happens is there are a lot of things that are happening behind the scene
Behind the scene, okay.
that may spoil certain things. So he's saying, don't put me in forefront. I am there.
But Benjaminaचे family nui, it is running in their family actually. As his father also was
Yes.
initially doing it. He was taking care. And now सांगपाक म्हणल्यार hats off to him. आंबेली स्पोर्ट्स क्लब म्हणल्यारूच पुरो. आंबेली स्पोर्ट्स क्लब इज इक्वल टू बेंजामिन म्हणटा ते भाशेन जाला. नंबर 1. नंबर 2, तेज्या फाटल्यान बेंजामिन has taken the mantle. And he is doing a lot of work on this. And he's got that magic wand of keeping the people in sports together. So तेजो पाय आसलो तो फर्स्ट जनरेशन धरलो जायत. बेंजामिन कम दॅट सेकंड जनरेशन. आनी आतां तेजे थर्ड जनरेशनूय आहा. His brother's son, Ozen, he is also a star player in futsal. आणि मागीर दुसरो त्याच्या भावाचो चेडो आहा तो बेनी, ही इज ऑल्सो प्लेइंग वेल इन द गोली. आणि ते ओझेन ऑल्सो इज अ गोलकीपर.
Yes, he's a goalkeeper.
ओके. आणि जस्ट टू मेन्शन त्याच्या भावाचें कंट्रिब्युशन आहा म्हूण आयकलां हांवें, जॉन. सो good it is. But a word of appreciation for Benjamin in one line. What will you call him?
He's a pillar.
So Benjamin is the pillar of Ameli Sports Club.
You know what? After contributing for so many years, he is trying to get people, more and more people, involved in Ambeli Sports Club. Which is, I don't know, we have had 2-3 meetings also. But I request all our people to come forward and contribute whatever way they can. He always says, I don't give me money. I want your presence.
Hmm.
Let us all come here. Now we are having so many programs. Let us come here, participate. Main is participation. Rest everything, leave it. So that is what he says. So now I hope all our people will come for the programs.
As you were telling me offline, I remember that tempo.
Hmm.
ते टेम्पो बनत आले ते गेमींग आणि एक दीस पावसांत हांव गेलो त्या वेर्ना ग्राउंडाचेर आणि लायक आणि आंबेली स्पोर्ट्स क्लब मॅच हा म्हणल्यार लोकूय जायतो जाता
जायचं.
लॉट ऑफ पीपल ते प्लेयर आसलेले पयले
That is because of the players and the participation. We would participate in all the tournaments, almost all the tournaments.
कॅन वी रिमेंबर सम ऑफ द पास्ट प्लेयर्स जे आमचे सोडून ना आयज डू यू रिमेंबर एनी ऑफ द पीपल फ्रॉम आंबेली Good players.
Defender ahlo, Joseph.
आमगे आंबेलेचो अच्छा व्हॉट्स हिज नेम
Joseph.
खुंयचो
Bhetla Mila.
नो सो द पीपल नॉट फ्रॉम आंबेली
Not from
बट प्लेइंग फॉर आंबेली स्पोर्ट्स क्लब हांव म्हणटा त्या आंबेलकारांक चौगडास करुया
Amelkara.
whether they played for Ambeli Sports Club or not, but they were from Ambeli and playing outside. Like I म्हणला तसो Fidelis Cardoz.
Fidelis Cardoz.
He was playing for Mafatlal and all I heard.
Yes.
So ते भाशेन आनी कोण आंबेलकार
Bayer had
तुका उगडास आहा आंबेलकार वय भायर पळय भितर those are no more with us.
Niklao.
निकलाव गोलकीपर निकलादोन
Niklao.
ओ निकलादोन येस निकलाव म्हळ्यार ओळखपा न्हय ताका निकलादोन म्हणटाय ओके गुड एनी हाव इट इज अ नायस गेस्चर फ्रॉम यू ऑल्सो म्हाकाय बरें दिसलें आयज म्हाजो गांव भाव म्हाजो स्कूल मेट आनी म्हाजो सोयरो टू बी देयर विथ मी दिस विल गो इन मेमरी लेन टू स्टे एंड स्टिक ऑन द यूट्यूब
Yes.
थँक यू व्हेरी मच
Thank you so much.